If you've been trying to log into Epic Games using just your username, there's an important thing to know right away. Epic Games does not let you sign in with only a username and password. You need the email address that's connected to your Epic account, or you need to use a linked platform account such as PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, or Google, depending on how your account was originally created. In this video, I'll show you the correct way to log in, what to do if you forgot your email, and how to recover your account as safely as possible. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games sign-in page. You'll see different login options, and this is where many people get confused. If your account was created with an email address, you must use that email to sign in. Enter the email and password linked to your Epic Games account, then click sign in. If you use the linked account like Google, PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo, choose that sign-in method instead. Epic Games uses those connected accounts as an alternative login method, but it still has to match the account that was originally linked to your profile. Now, if you only remember your username or display name and not your email, don't worry, there are still recovery steps you can try. Click on Forgot Your Password. This option is useful if you think you may still have access to the email account connected to Epic Games. Enter any email addresses you may have used and check whether Epic sends a password reset message. If you receive the email, follow the reset link and create a new password. After that, return to the login page and sign in using your email and a new password. If you do not remember the email at all, your next step is to contact Epic Games support. When you reach out, provide your display name, any linked platforms, and any other account details you can remember. Epic support may ask for proof that you own the account before helping you recover access. This is important because account security is a priority, and Epic will not let anyone log in using just a username alone. So to be very clear, you cannot directly log into Epic Games using only a username. You will need the associated email ID, password, or a linked platform account that matches your Epic profile. If your email is lost, recovery is the path forward, not direct username login. Once you regain access, make sure to update your recovery email, save your login details securely, and enable extra security options if available. That way, you won't run into the same problem again. If this video helped you understand how Epic Games login works, please like this video and subscribe for more simple guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.